Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Natalie from Simply Natalie, and in this episode I'm making this amazing Roman salad you never taste before yet till now. So let's get started. Red onion goes into a salad. Cucumbers. Then we're gonna add cherry tomatoes. Look how beautiful this salad is. It's so fresh, perfect for summer, for hot summer days. There. Okay, now I'm gonna add this yummiest cheese. You can add Parmesan cheese, or you can add this cheese. This is like 3 cheese blend. You can buy this on Whole Foods, or you can find in other stores 3 cheese blends. And what is here? Fontina cheese, Asiago cheese, and Parmesan cheese. But you can add cheese, only Parmesan cheese is fine. More cheese, please. There. And I love to add this hemp seed. It's really good for your heart, it's good for you, it's really healthy, and it tastes really good. It's really tasty. There. Okay, now I'm gonna add croutons right on top. Add ranch. There. Toss this gently. And we have amazing, tastiest salad ever. So easy, 1, 2, 3 and done. Well, thanks for watching you guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.